Hey guys, this is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you my quick guacamole recipe. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need 3 ripe avocados and you're going to mash them. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll show you how to keep your guacamole from turning brown, and I'll give you a hint, it's not by using lime juice. Here's a good tip for you. If you have a lot of ripe avocados and you don't know what to do with them, put them in the fridge, they will last much longer. Next, you're going to need 2 Roma tomatoes, or any tomatoes really, but I like Roma tomatoes for this because they're not so juicy. You're going to need ½ cup of chopped onion, 1 clove of crushed garlic, 1 jalapeno, and I'm going to take the seeds out of half of the jalapeno just because I don't want it too spicy. Next, I'm going to add ½ cup of chopped cilantro, and I love cilantro, so I'm putting a lot. I'm adding ½ teaspoon of salt to that, a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper, and the juice from 1 lime. Mix everything together. I'm going to take a tortilla chip just to taste it and make sure everything is good. My hubby is going to take the picture now and then I'll be back. Okay, so here it is with my chicharron. I love it with chicharron. This is my new favorite way to eat it. I know you've seen videos everywhere with people eating it with chicharron, chicharrones, however you say it, but as Belizeans we say chicharron, and I just love it with chicharron. I always get asked where I buy things, and I bought this from Fiesta. I live in Texas and that's a Latin grocery store here, and they have this one and then they have another chicharron. This one is more crispy, the other one is more harder to bite. You feel like you broke out your teeth. But I like them both. Before I leave you, I want to give you this one last tip, and this is how to keep your guacamole from turning brown and just to look nice and green and fresh the next day. So you're going to take some plastic wrap and you're going to cover your guacamole, but you want the plastic wrap to touch the guacamole. You don't want any air to get to it, and I promise you the next day it will look just as if you just made it. I wish I could show you what this looks like the next day, but we're going to eat this today, so I won't have anything for tomorrow. But try this, I promise you, your guacamole will look nice and green and pretty and fresh, just as if you just made it. So if you try it, come back and leave me a comment so people know I'm not lying. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.